Tatang is here. We're here right now in Calapan, Mindoro. Tatang. Why did Charlie go to Boracay?
First, because he was frustrated. He was not able to catch up with my speed.
Where?
I always pass him on the inside, sometimes on the outside.
Why? What is your role in the group? Are you the? Where are you positioned? You're the.
I'm the spearhead,
Yes.
the sweeper, the wingman, all in all, everything. It's my job.
So what do you think the three of them are doing there in Boracay now?
Of course,
Reflecting.
they will reflect as to how they were not able to catch with Tata Abe. They will analyze and they will exchange views regarding the ride. Charlie almost go to the canal. He overshoot 3 times because he was pressured, because every time he looked back, he saw me.